packets of tissue. They were on offer. Good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a shopping haul. So come and unbox the things that we got with us. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Malakai, I want you to say hi to the people. Say hi people.
Hi people.
Tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Hi people. Subscribe to our channel and videos. And thank you
For watching.
for watching.
We love you.
We love you.
I bought these two yogurts. This is peach flavored and this is lemon and ginger. We also got 5 liter cooking oil. Okay. Then we got maize flour, 4 packets. This will take us the whole month. Also we have wheat flour here. And also another one, but this one is self-raising. And also we got 2 kgs
2
sugar.
kgs sugar.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
here we got these 3 packets of tissue. They were on offer, so I decided to take 3 of them. Yeah. Then I bought some snacks for my son.
That's for me and mommy.
Bought some peanut butter,
The peanut butter and tomato and
mala,
milk.
1 kg salt.
Breakfast salt
Then
and milk.
also bought milk,
About milk.
and it's 10 pieces.
10
10
pieces.
packets, sorry.
Yes.
Let me just leave it here. Then I bought this. I want us to bake some cupcakes with my son, so I bought this prestige. Also bought drinking chocolate.
Drinking
And this
chocolate.
is welcome choosing it.
Welcome to me.
And also I bought this zester, a
I
small
bought
one.
this letter. Another one.
And we got this Nescafe sachet.
I bought this never chocolate.
More snacks.
More
for my
snacks.
son.
Or snacks.
We bought 2 packets of serviettes.
To serve it.
Also some cakes, more snacks.
Let's take more snacks.
Then I bought a packet of Rico.
Capacity and chicken.
Then I bought this Colgate.
I got
This
this
is for us.
one.
Malaka, wait, please. I got these 2 Colgate. This is for us and this is for kids 2 to 5 years.
It's okay for
I
5
bought a
years.
scrubber
Scrubber.
and also a hand wash here.
A hand wash here.
Malaka, sasa I also bought Vim for toilet cleaning and
I
sink.
have a beans for clean.
Then I also got this Morning Fresh utensil soap.
The back machine for clean.
Then I bought this baking soap.
I got this baking soap.
Okay.
Yeah.
I also got this
I also
jig.
got this.
It's bleach, it's colored.
It's
The
biscuit
brand
colored.
is Msafi.
It's sassy.
Also we have washing
That
powder here.
Yes.
It's tools.
That was happening. Yeah, right.
Then I got this 1 kg.
I got this one baking soap.
This is my body oil.
There my body
here.
on.
Then I bought this washing powder. I'll be using
This is my dad's washing powder.
Also, I got some
Toothbrush.
toothbrush, 2 of them.
What's
Then I
that?
got this Haramis for my lips.
For my lips.
Yeah. Then
For my...
I also
I
got
bought
this
this
downy
above
for
for my
cleaning
lips.
the house.
I bought this above for cleaning the house.
We got some
I bought this
smokies
above
here.
cleaning the house.
There are 3 packets of smokies.
And this
And
one
also
has
we got
smokies.
eggs.
Eggs.
Yeah, and that's all for today.
Hi
Guys, let's cook supper with me. Here I'm going to cook some skuma. And here I have fish. I bought them from the market and I decided to fry them, to deep fry them before I just cook supper with them. I'm going to cook here my skuma and fish, my tomatoes here, the lemon. I've already put onions.
Mama, do that.
A lot.
are working at like you, Mom. Want to cook like you? Yeah. Cook like you. Look at my socks. Look at my socks.
I think in okay, you didn't surprise daddy.
Which one?
They're not relaxed.
No, turn my hand. Want some fish? No, that fish. That's a big fish.
Malaki sasa kufanya vitu na wewe. Hope you like it. Can you continue subscribing, liking and sharing the videos.
Videos.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.
Love you.